Top 5 Instant Weight Loss Products. There are many people around the world who are desperately looking for new and spontaneous ways to get the instant weight loss results they always wanted. Most of these people focus on finding the best products on the market that offer them natural and organic ways to get rid of their excess weight. If you are one of the many people around the world looking for a way to control their health and find a new way to get rid of those unwanted pounds, you need to find the best of the moment. Supplements and diet pills that can give the best results. Due to the fact that there are a variety of products for instant weight loss in the online world, choosing the right products can be a daunting task, especially if you need to know which products can give you the best results. Here is a list of the top 5 instant fat loss products available on the market today. 1. Acai Berry Select. It is neither an average acai berry nor a scam. In fact, it is the authentic acai berry extract that has been accredited worldwide. Acai Berry Select is one of the most popular instant weight loss supplements that has successfully helped thousands of people around the world with its ultra-fast weight loss methods. Not only has it been shown to help you lose weight organically, but it is also the #1 product in today's weight loss market due to its natural elements. If you've ever had to choose a weight loss product to lose those unwanted pounds, you can't go wrong choosing acai berries. 2. Resveratrol Select. Over the years, resveratrol has become one of the most popular colon cleansers on the market. The colon cleansing formula was developed solely for the purpose of removing toxins from the body, while fat molecules are eliminated by degradation in the system. This contributes to the exhaustion of the body molecules and in turn leads to fat loss. It is a completely natural product, and according to Acai Berry Select, Resveratrol Select has lived up to its reputation. 3. Advanced Go-G Formula. Go-G Advance or the Go-G Advance formula has been awarded for the right reasons. Since its launch, not more than a few months ago, the Go-G Advance formula has managed to blow the brains in the instant weight loss industry. All natural and organic elements have been accredited by international medical organizations and have therefore ranked among our top 5 fat loss products in the world. The fact is that with the advanced Go-G formula, fat loss is only a few weeks away. 4. Hoodia Advance. Hoodia Advance is the brand new organic product that has been added to the list of the 5 most influential fat loss products known today. It is made from extracts of the Hoodia gordoni plant and is a complete and instant weight loss product that has helped over 1,000 people in the United States lose weight naturally. The product has not yet been launched internationally. However, buyers can buy it online and ship it worldwide. 5. Lemonade Diet. Lemon and its extracts have always been known as the best fat loss components that have helped many people around the world meet their immediate weight loss needs. Last but not least, the new Lemonade Diet is number 5 on the list of the top 5 in fat loss. Being 100% natural and organic has made it the best weight loss supplement on the market today. The Lemonade Diet will surely be the best product in the weight loss industry that is not only affordable but also effective in its results. If you're one of the many people around the world looking for a diet or instant weight loss product to give you a natural and safe way to effectively lose those unwanted pounds, you're better off. Discover one of the 5 best instant fat loss products that will help you. There are a number of inferior products that are also available in the markets that are cheap scams of the original dietary supplements for weight loss. Therefore, it is recommended to explore the market effectively to get